welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be all about the Aphogee two-step protein treatment. So it was my very first time using this protein treatment. So if you want to see the whole process and my thoughts on the treatment, definitely keep on watching. So before we start with the process, I just want to explain a few things. So why would you want to do a protein treatment? So in our hair, we all have protein, which is keratin, but with, you know, heat styling, coloring the hair, bleaching it, all of that, you lose some of that protein. So if you've been following my little hair journey since last August, I bleached my hair and my hair was super dark. It was already a little dry, and so I decided to bleach it. And yeah, it damaged my hair a lot. So for the last few months, I've been trying to save my hair. My hair used to be super long. I got it cut super short. Looking back, I don't think I would have needed such a dramatic haircut, but here it is. This is what I have today. But anyways, and so I've been looking for something to just repair my hair. So a few months ago, I did a keratin treatment. So I did a whole video. I'll list it down below if you're interested. So a keratin treatment is a chemical process to add some keratin back in your hair. And you know, I did the treatment. I was happy with it. I really love the results. My hair was so damaged, so frizzy, and the keratin treatment really helped to remove the frizz in my hair. I was able to just let my hair air dry, and I could actually leave the house with my hair just air dried. It didn't look so crazy, and so it cut down my drying time. My hair was not frizzy anymore, and it felt a little stronger. But a keratin treatment is not permanent, and so the last few weeks I really started noticing that my hair was starting to lack some of that protein again. And you'll notice your hair is lacking some protein because when your hair is wet, if you kind of stretch your hair like that, it'll just snap off. If you need moisture, then when your hair is dry, if you go like this, it'll just snap off as well. So good healthy hair, you know, balanced hair with protein and moisture, your hair will stretch a little bit, but then it will return to its original shape. So my hair is dry, so lacks moisture, but since my hair lacks so much protein, any moisture, any mask that I do in my hair my hair doesn't keep the moisture because it's lacking so much protein, if that makes any sense. So I really wanted to do a protein treatment again, but I didn't want to redo a keratin treatment. You know, I was happy with the results, but I was looking for something else, you know, that maybe was not as harsh, maybe something that was just a little easier to do. And so I've actually heard so many amazing things about this treatment, but for some reason, you know, this is pretty cheap. You can get this at Sally's Beauty Supply, which I don't have one near me, so I just ordered this on Amazon. With Prime, it was a bit more expensive, but I got it the next day, so I was happy to pay a bit more. This was $35 Canadian with Prime. I think this retails for like 15 maybe. And this, which is the balancing moisturizer, which is a step 2, which I'll explain everything, was $12. So pretty affordable. For some reason, because these products were so affordable, I didn't think they would actually work. And so, you know, people have been recommending these to me since September of last year. So I really wish I would have done this sooner. And so yeah, if your hair doesn't need protein, don't do a protein treatment, because too much protein can actually do the opposite. Your hair will become really stiff, and you know, you don't want that. And so I think I've said everything. So yeah, if you want to see how I use the two-step protein treatment from Aphogee and the balancing moisturizer, keep watching. Okay, so what I did, I washed my hair. I did not condition, so I washed my hair with the anti-residue shampoo from Neutrogena. This is like a clarifying shampoo. When I did my keratin treatment, you had to use a clarifying shampoo. Now, it doesn't say anywhere that you have to use a clarifying shampoo before this treatment, but I was like, you know what, let's do it. So I got this on Amazon Prime. It was $7. Like, you need to wash your hair, but you don't condition before doing the treatment. So I actually use my conditioner before my shampoo in the shower. Okay, so now my hair is still damp, so I'm gonna split my hair. Since my hair is short, I'll just split it in 4 sections. Oh, my hair is super fragile right now. Ugh, I don't like that. Okay, here we go. So I was recommended, because I posted this on my Insta story, and one of you told me that I should put it in a like little spray bottle like this. And also some videos that I watched, the girl was using a spray bottle, because apparently this is very runny. So I would recommend, and sticky, so I would recommend wearing something you don't really care about. Now this, I got this when I was like 15 years old. maybe I was 16. I'm like 25. So I got this from Forever 21 almost 10 years ago, and it still fits. This is what I wear in the house. And then on the bottle actually says what you need to do. So it says wash the hair. They say to use their shampoo, but I don't have it. Okay, apply enough. You really have to saturate the hair with the treatment. And then it says to brush the hair. Now this hair is not going to be brushed, okay, when it's wet, because it's not going to stay on my head. So and then yeah, you have to be really careful. The girls that I watched, apparently your hair becomes super stiff. You have to be careful. So actually I don't want this to stick to my brows. I feel like it goes everywhere.
Always knew it, but I didn't tell my heart. Let go, I couldn't do it without falling apart. So give me something, give me something.
Yeah, I already feel my hands getting a little sticky. I feel like I should have just like put my head down and just sprayed it everywhere. Okay, now I think you have to wash your hands in between, because my hands are so sticky. If I touch my hair, I feel like it's just, oh my god, this is not comfortable. Okay, the things you have to do.
Give me some, give me a fix, tell me if it's whatever that's wrong. So give me something, give me.
Okay, we're almost done. It doesn't take too long, so that's great.
Tell me if it's whatever that's wrong.
Now it says that do not put a plastic bag over your head. This is not one of those products, because it's just gonna stick to the bag and you're gonna have to rip your hair out. So it says I think you just leave it. You have to be really careful if you move it around. And then it says you can use like heat, like a dryer. What I'll do is I'll go outside for a little bit. It's still really sunny outside. Okay, it says to re-wet and gently rinse thoroughly with warm water. Apply Aphogee balancing moisturizer to hair and scalp and leave on for 2 minutes. So I bought this. I actually already used this last week when a couple days ago when I washed my hair. I didn't have time to do the treatment. I just used this to see what it would do, and it definitely helped. I feel like it gave my hair a bit of a boost. Definitely not like this is probably gonna do, but I'll rinse out the product as much as I can, I guess, and then I'll use this. So yeah. Okay, so it's been maybe like 20 something minutes. Just that I was outside, and all of this here is so freaking hard. My whole body is sticky. You know that glue, like that white glue we used to use in like elementary school? It feels like that all over my body, and my back is super sticky. Okay, so you see how it sticks? The bottom here, everything was a lot more saturated, so it's not completely hard yet. So I'm just gonna take my blow dryer. Okay, so it's pretty much dry now. I mean, it doesn't like stick to my skin anymore, but as you can see, like it's very stiff. I will go in the shower. I am excited to see the results. I have like an hour to take my shower, do that, get dressed, and go for the gym. So hopefully this won't take too long to rinse out. Okay, so I'm slowly losing my natural lighting, but oh my gosh, so I just got out of the shower. Now, first of all, it was super easy to rinse out. I thought it was gonna be super sticky in the shower, even on my skin. Like as soon as the water touched my hair, my skin, like it was just gone. But my hair, you know, here is my natural, not my natural hair, it's colored. It's, you know, my good healthy hair. This hair was not bleached. Not all of this is bleached, but pretty much like it almost feels the same. Like it's crazy. Like it's not gummy. I mean, wet hair is never cute, but like this is good. When I wash my hair, I use the Chi Rose Hip Oil Color and Nurture. It's like a leave-in conditioner. Honestly, it feels so good. Like if I can feel a difference in the shower and after my shower, it's good. One thing I forgot to mention, when I was in the shower, I was actually able to comb through, like when I put this in my hair, I was able to comb through my hair with my fingers. Usually I never do that in the shower when I put my mask in. Like I never go through my hair because I'm just afraid it's all gonna fall off. But I did it with this and it felt good. So okay, I think that'll be good. I mean, of course it's still damp. My hair feels pretty good. I mean, hopefully you can see that, like, look, it's not even frizzy. Yeah, but so far so okay. So as we speak right now, today's Tuesday and I did the treatment on Friday, so I haven't washed my hair since. And so I curled my hair yesterday. You know, my curls look a little you know, lived in. I have some hairspray in my hair, I have a bit of dry shampoo at my roots, and so my hair doesn't look the freshest, but it still looks really good. This works so much better than the keratin treatment I did. My hair just feels so bouncy and lightweight. It feels, first of all, much stronger. It feels softer. It looks shinier. I don't know if you can see with this kind of lighting, but like my hair, as I said, is curled. There's hairspray in it and it still looks like, it looks really good. And it also feels really lightweight and lightweight and manageable. Now my hair, when it's all good and healthy, it's very manageable. It's the thing I like the most about my hair. If I curl it, if I, you know, play with it, like it's very manageable. It's easy to work with. And I had totally lost that ever since I started bleaching my hair, and ever since I got it cut super short. I feel like I really lost that. And I feel like this treatment gave that to me. Like my hair looks super bouncy. Like on Saturday I curled my hair and my hair looked really, really good. It was just so lightweight. It was not stiff. When I did my keratin treatment, you know, my hair was not frizzy. It dried really quickly, which was great for me, because when your hair lacks so much protein and when it's damaged, it could take days, honestly, to just let it air dry. And with my keratin treatment, my hair, you know, was not as bad looking, but it was definitely a little stiff. You know, I would curl my hair, it wouldn't look as good. You know, it was not frizzy, which was great, but it didn't look like good, you know. And I feel like now it looks good. I mean, I feel like I'm lacking a bit of volume at my roots, but besides that, I'm just like really happy with my hair. This worked a lot better than the keratin treatment. And so yeah, it says on the bottle, it helps to stop breakage on even badly damaged hair. And so if you have badly damaged hair, bleached hair, try this out. I'm telling you, I should have tried this before. Now, you know, not only damaged hair needs protein, you know, I think especially curly hair, really curly hair, is a hair type that lacks a bit more protein. I read something somewhere a while ago about like protein and curly hair needing more protein, and so yeah, but it works really well on super curly hair. I mean, I don't really have that hair type, so I can't really say, but it works amazingly as well on damaged hair. Now if your hair doesn't need protein, as I said in the beginning, don't overdo protein treatments at all. This is something you're supposed to use once every 6 weeks. Now, since my hair was badly damaged, you know, it feels so much better now, but it's definitely not back to like normal. And so I think I'll redo the treatment in 3 weeks, just to give my hair an extra boost. Now for this balancing moisturizer, as I said in my video, I used it like a week ago, and I felt like my hair felt a lot better by just using this on itself. So I think I'll continue to use this maybe every like 2 weeks. You know, I have other conditioners I really like from like Kerastase, and I'm still gonna use my mask, which I'm gonna have a hair care routine coming up very soon. I just wanted to do this first, and I'll share all the products that I use. But when your hair is deeply damaged, you can use all the argan oil you want. You can use all the moisturizing expensive masks you want. If your hair lacks protein, I feel like that moisture doesn't stay in your hair. And so yeah, I'm really happy with this. My hair feels so much better. Even my parents on Saturday, when my hair was like, you know, freshly washed, you know, I had just done the treatment, my hair looks so good. Even my parents were like, wow, your hair looks really, really good. Like, it hasn't looked this good in months. And so yeah, I feel like my hair looks really good. I'm really, really happy with it. I just want to give a bottle to everybody, okay? This fixed all my problems. I feel like now I kind of want to bleach my hair again. I'm like, girl, my hair is feeling better, let me bleach it again. I'm not gonna bleach it again. So yeah, honestly, this is like a little lifesaver, and this was really great as well. So if you're gonna do the treatment, you know, get this as well. Also, I just love the combination of orange with purple. Oh my god, look at my cute little nails. And so yeah, I cannot say enough good things about this. Thank you to everybody who recommended this to me. I am sorry I did not listen to all of you earlier, but honestly, this is the bomb. This is amazing. I wish you could feel it, but for me, it's not just how soft it is, but it's that I have that bounce again, and I have that lightweight kind of hair, except my roots, because I have like dry shampoo in my roots, but the rest just feels so good. Like, it's super bouncy, and my hair, like, I haven't washed my hair in a while, so for it to be bouncy like that, it's pretty good. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, of course, leave them down below. I will list the treatment down below if you're interested to get it. And yeah, I guess that is pretty much it. If you want to watch all my other hair related videos, if you want to see how I did these curls, I actually did a tutorial which not many people will watch, so you should watch it. I was wearing my extensions, but it's the same kind of curls. I will leave that down below. If you want to see how I bleach my hair and all of that, I will leave these videos down below. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you very soon in a new one. Bye!